Now we have reset the scenario, and now we are going to demonstrate an insider attack on the hotel service. Car rental, hotel and airline services communicate with the payment gateway using HTTPS. The insider attack is going to change the hotel services communication protocol from HTTPS to HTTP. Now, when you make a regular request to the travel agent, you will be able to see that you get a response and the payment gateway was accessed via a secure transport in the case of car rental, hotel and airline services. Now, if we have an insider attack on these three on the hotel service and we make a request without enabling any policies, any interaction authorization policies, you will see that the payment gateway was accessed via secure transport as before by car rental, but by hotel it says payment gateway was accessed via an insecure transport. Now we go and enable from our trust management modules block insecure transport module, and this is a XACML based module. And if you look at the policy, we'll be able to see, let me zoom in a little bit, that there is a permit rule which checks for the presence of HTTPS and everything else is denied. Okay. All right, going back to this scenario, we have enabled the interaction authorization module and we make a request. Now the hotel says that communication was interrupted while the other two services provide responses. Okay, and we go to our console, we go to our output and see that authorization response is permit for the first request and the second request was a deny and the third request was a permit. And we can see that the connection from hotel to payment gateway was broken.